Hey guys, welcome to another RC in Motion video, and today we're going to focus on the transfer case. We've done the axles as you can see here, but let's go ahead and take this transfer case out. Now you can see here there's many methods of taking this transfer case out, but we're going to use a simpler method, and you're going to find out today without taking apart your whole chassis. There's many ways that this transfer case is connected to the chassis, and as you can see here is guarded by this metal plate here underneath. But we're going to go ahead and take out these two tiny screws right here. So we left one of the screws on the transfer case on just for support, because we're going to remove this shaft here and we don't want the whole piece to fall on us as we're removing the shaft. Just like in the axles, we can notice a little bit of play, but we're going to fix that here after we clean this right away. There we have it, all cleaned up and nice. We're going to remove the drive shafts, then we're going to remove the regular input shaft that goes into the transmission. We should be ready to re-grease it up. These are the 6 screws that hold it together, and with the magic of editing, we take it apart. Let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we have inside. Honestly, when I opened this transfer case up, it did smell like burnt oil, so it was kind of scalish in a way, but we went ahead and cleaned it up, checked out the bearings, cleaned in between each teeth on the gears, and we're ready to grease it up. We're going to go ahead and grease inside first. We're going to place each gear set, grease around that, and then we're going to go ahead and grease up that back plate, so that way it has some great lubrication inside and on the outside. It's going to spew out a little once you put it back together, but it's really easy to clean up, and that way we can have a properly lubricated, as you can see there, transfer case. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this back plate, and just like that we are done. We're going to go ahead and pop in those 6 screws, give it a little spin, and make sure it's properly lubricated. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this opening and re-greasing of the transfer case. Later on we'll pop in this input shaft into the truck, but beforehand have a look at the transfer case. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.